Hello. Today you're going to watch a TED Ed video about the five major religions of the world. One of the ways we can understand what happens between countries is by understanding some of the things that motivate decision making. So, understanding or having a bit of understanding about the five major religions in the world is one way to do that. So, you will see you have a link right here to watch the video. It's also linked right here in the directions. So as you watch, you'll answer these questions. If it's a multiple choice question, make sure you highlight. So remember to highlight, you just highlight the word and then choose a color. So you'll have 6 multiple choice questions, and then down here, you're just going to, you will see a lot of similarities between all five religions. So down here on number 7, just give me one of those. Let me know if you have any questions.